This tutorial is going to show you how to save multiple images for different sets of platforms. So let's start out with a multiple layered image that you've been editing from. So this example here has 3 layers involved here. I will save this as a Photoshop document so that I'll be able to reopen this image at a later date to re-edit if I see fit. Just simply go to the File menu, click Save As. Making sure that it is in the format of Photoshop. You'll see that as a .psd file. Depending on how many documents you'll be saving for this particular project, you can just use a numbering convention. So this example would be the first of multiple ones, and I could just save it as one.psd. Click Save, and then click OK after that's done. Now if you're ready to save this for printed form, just simply we need to flatten the layers. So we go to the Layers panel, scroll all the way down to Flatten Image. So now we're set to a background image. Go to the File menu, select Save As, and for this example here, we want to change the format from a Photoshop document to a JPEG. So the JPEG option selected here. For this example here, this is going to be a document that we'll be printing. So we'll be typing in 1 and then print. There is no space between that. If you leave a space between that, it'll give some issues in regards to naming conventions. After that's done, just simply click the Save button, and then you'll have the JPEG options available here. Make sure that it's at its highest quality. Simply select OK once you're done. The third step is to save this document for the web, for your blog post. To do that, you just simply go to the File menu. We've already flattened the image, so we have our background image. Go to the File menu, go to Save for Web, and then you'll have multiple options available in the Save for Web options. You can select in the tabs as original, so you can see the actual original image. Use the Move tool to select part of the image. You can look at Optimized. You can also look at 2 up and 4 up. I would suggest just simply keeping it simple for 2 up. So you could select on the image on the left-hand side, which is your original image that shows that it's 6.18 megabytes. So it's too large of a file to put into your blog post. The image on the right-hand side is saved for the web. As you can see underneath the JPEG option, it is under a megabyte, and that's what we're looking for. If you want to make adjustments to the quality, just simply go to the right-hand panel here, making sure that JPEG is selected. You can also choose any of these presets for maximum to very low, and you can also use the scrubber bar here to increase or decrease the amount of the quality that's located. You want to make sure that in the bottom corner here, just make sure that this number is below 1 megabyte. Once the image quality looks to your satisfaction, just simply click Save. And it will bring you into the same saving dialog. Now for this example here, we're going to be saving it for the web, so instead of 1 print, we would then change this to 1 web. So we would then know that this is going to be going up for our blog posting. Just simply click Save after you're done, and you are finished.